Yung dredging is very, very, kasi, ano ba yun? Parang we've learned by experience. Ang nangyari kasi, when we gave the permit for dredging, medyo na malawak masyado yung ginawa namin. And the companies that have been given the dredging license or the dredging permits, hindi pa po nakakapag-perform totally. So, ang sinabi ng DPWH, since negative na yung slippage nila, dinicrease nila yung area. So, so far yun po yung natin para kasi yung iba naman may dredging permit nga pero they're not doing the dredging. They are doing quarrying. Wala rin silang quarrying permit. So parang ang daya. So supposed to be kasi sa dredging, you cannot sell the aggregates that you get in Ilocos. You can only sell 10%. Dapat kasi all the rest nilalabas.
Outside.
Ang nangyayari, yung iba na nagko-compete sa ating quarry permittees. Siyempre, my priority, of course, is to protect all our quarry permittees. Kasi sayang naman, di ba? Sila yung gumagawa, sila yung sumusunod sa batas. Tapos yung isa, so we are just waiting for the DPWH to give us that yung notice na they lessen the area para we can tell the other dredging companies to cease and desist.
Thank you.